So the reason that NASA originally got involved with FIRST is we were looking for future employees that could come and help us with robotics technology to develop the future spaceflight missions that we knew we were going to build.
This year's game consists of robots competing against each other to see who can fill up their cargo ship and their rocket ship the fastest. The first part is that they have to put on panels to the rocket ship and the cargo ship to secure their cargo. So those are the points, and then towards the end of the game, your robot can climb different levels of the habitat.
As a volunteer, I've experienced relationships I never thought I would have. I met people 4 years ago, and we can go a whole year without seeing each other, and it's like we've never skipped a beat, and we just pick up right back where we left off.
I serve as a mentor because when I experienced FIRST, I had a phenomenal time. It really changed my life trajectory and what I wanted to do, and I really wanted to present that opportunity to my students and make sure that they had the utmost experience and could really see what life had to offer for them.
We get, in addition to future employees, we also get one of the best in-house training programs for our existing employees that we've ever had.
As I've been a mentor, just seeing the growth in these kids from the beginning of the program to when they end is just amazing, and just the growth in the kids, just surely amazing. I love it.
There's way more that goes on when you're building something than just nuts and bolts. You have the design aspect that takes forever to figure out what you want to do. Then you have to actually figure out how you're going to do that design.
We get to train new project managers with a great project with a wonderful staff of students, a ridiculously tight budget, an unbelievably short timeline, and a totally unrealistic task. And we get to tell them, if you can figure out how to go from a blank sheet of paper to a completed project in 6 weeks with those constraints, you're ready to actually tackle a real project with us as a brand new manager.
Fail faster, learn more, focus and execute. And so our goal each year is to get to that point where we can focus and execute and have these kids truly understand the whole learning process.
The fortunate part serving on the board for something like FIRST, particularly FIRST in Alabama, in Huntsville, the Rocket City, is that for a cause like FIRST, it's an easy sell. As soon as they are exposed to it, they're magically enticed to get involved. And with involvement and enthusiasm comes funding. So I'm actually honored to be part of the board in such an easy role to achieve all that year-over-year funding.
One of the things that really is impressive to us is just the students' insight, understanding, appreciation for, and love for space technology and space capabilities. We know that in general space is something that the U.S. public gets really pretty excited about, but these students have really brought that forth in multiples. We've seen how excited they get just with the entire topic of space exploration. And as we start to consider how we're going to send humans even farther out into the solar system, it's very easy to realize that the students that will do that one day are these students in this competition here.